Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert an image watermark to a PDF file using EaseUs PDF Editor. Open your PDF file, select File option and select Open, and you can open your PDF file from your folder. I have already opened this PDF file. Now click on this Pages option, this menu bar, and this right sidebar, this down position. Here you will find this watermark arrow, down arrow. Click here. Now select an Add option. The default setting text watermark, and this is File watermark, and select Browse option and open your image or logo. I select this cross symbol and this symbol opacity, and you can rotate this symbol. This is not. Also you can customly rotate this symbol, and this is vertical position. You can make it top, this down, and this center, and same as this horizontal position. And this pages, you can apply all pages or cited pages. I select all pages and finally select OK, and see this image watermark now inserted all of these pages, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.